I'm so surprised the trees are in bloom here, like everywhere. And it's not spring. Oh, is this a jacaranda? How beautiful all around. The trees are in bloom in wonderful pink. See how quiet it is. Early-ish morning without tourists. It's like an orchard with beautiful flower trees everywhere. And we are not even in spring. I'm so impressed that these people have calculated well to keep us visitors enchanted throughout all seasons. Like, look at all these flowers. Wow. Everyone is still sleeping and they don't dare get out of this shadow. There are a lot of cute babies, ouch, like this one. And the one looking at us through there. You can also see a couple here in the grass. However, everyone makes sure they are in shadow because this heat is just crazy. See here, you can have some skinship time with the baby. So cute. So let us see how your feet are being made. Nice. Deer feet. You okay? You okay? Really first time to play with the deer feet, and I must say they are kind of like dog feet on this inner side. Somebody is coughing around here. Ah yeah, here, look. So it's like a dog foot actually. Soft and cute. We are being stared at by this baby and I want to try to get closer. Let's see how close we can get. Not that close. His mama taught him very well to run away from predators. Yes, now you understand why all the deers are here. Finally the gentleman came to open the water, and now from up here cooling mist is coming on the deers. That's actually, I wanted to open it but I didn't have a special key for that. Yes. So guys, you're happy now? See the mist, how nice. Cooling water, rain. How nice. You see here 3 deer sitting on the steps of the amazingly huge temple shrine. How to cause a disaster. How to wake up all the deers. You just need this. Actually, this is delicious. Like, we could survive on this stuff. Who should be the lucky winner? I suggest this cute girl here. Dan basta, finito. So, okay, there are a couple of interesting points where I want to go, but we could see the sunset over there. We could see the meeting of all deers somewhere around here. So it's like, where shall we go first? The weather is finally just amazing. Not hot, not dark. Yeah, looks like we will get a stalker, because especially since I chewed on that stuff, it might smell to him. Scary. You're so scary with your horns. Yay! Touching the deer. So cute. So cute. Yeah, that was sexual harassment from me to deer, okay? So baby, I gotta go. I hope he can't jump this high surface, high cliff here. Actually, okay, he deserves a snack. And I'm gonna give him the snack because he allowed us to caress him. Jaja! The bribe material. That's how we bribe the deers here. No? Oh, this makes for such a fantastic angle with the temple behind us. No? But he is actually very busy right now staring at this gentleman. So he's ignoring me. For outstanding friendliness, you receive one more. Shit, it had some paper on it. But yeah. So now we even have a girl interested in our business over here. I feel so secure that they are up there and can just gang on me. How about this view? Ja-ja. Yes, we are in a lantern. And this here is very funny. See, the shop is having this cool water powder coming out for the people, and the deers are also enjoying it. Waterfront. So, don't walk with food around. This is my last food that I'm gonna hand out. And this is our resident deer. So, finito. No food anymore, guys. Because then you can take your photos.